Hello viewers, welcome back to Inishkitchen. Today I am going to share with you a very yummy date shake. No sugar, no cream. This is a delicious and an energizing breakfast drink. At the same time, it's also a filling shake recipe and a wholesome meal. All natural with dates, bananas, nuts and of course milk. This is one of our favorite breakfast drinks after workout and can be ready in just 5 minutes. Do try out this recipe, you will love it. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. Here, I have taken around 8 to 10 dates for 2 glasses of date shake. Soak these dates overnight in 1 glass of milk. Next, we are going to soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in little bit of milk. Soaking the dates has its own benefits. Also, soaking softens the dates and thus easy to grind. Dates are rich in several vitamins, minerals and fibers too. Next day morning, this is how the soaked ingredients look. Into the soaked dates, add in chopped 1 or 2 bananas as you wish, but I am using only 1 banana. Now, if you forgot to overnight soak these dates and chia seeds, no worries. In the morning, soak them in little hot water for just 20 minutes. Pour it into a blender and add in 2 tablespoons sliced almonds. The almonds will give a creaminess and a texture and a bite to this drink. Blend them until smooth paste. Add another glass of chilled milk. For the vegans, you may add soy milk or almond milk or even fresh coconut milk. Once again, blend them all. The date shake is ready. To serve, pour it into a tall glass. Add a tablespoon of soaked chia seeds, garnish with some chopped almonds. And here I am, as promised. 5 minutes energizing milk date shake is ready. Dates and bananas are excellent for digestion and will keep you full for few hours. Best for ladies who do workouts. Try it once and I'm sure this will be soon your favorite date shake. Watch out for more amazing recipes.